Hello everyone. So now we are going to move to the next problem, which is investment in 2016, and it is around I think 42nd problem. चार दो. Let's see. Okay, we have one table. We have given input PID. Okay, TIV 15-16. Latitude, longitude. Great. First one table is like last the record meet both of the criteria. Table is 10, 7, 3, and 4 record. Which will be unique. Okay, let's just see what's the question. Put the sum of total investment 2016. Total investment or solar for all policyholders whose have the same TIF 15 value as one or more policyholders. Okay, have same TIF 15 value as one or more other policyholders. अच्छा, it's not unique. It's not unique. Okay, ठीक है. Great. But what total investment 15 is not a unique number. Okay. Here we can use subquery. Here we can use subquery. We can filter distinct. Okay. Or should we do distinct? Or we can simply do count whose count is 1, we can group by whose count is 1, and then we can say it is not in. Okay, yeah, we can do so from there. And not located in the same city as any other stake policyholder. That is, longitudinal order must be unique. So location must be unique and it must not be unique. Okay, what we have to return? We have to return average or something, or simply sum of all investment. Okay, let's first get all the rows. Once we get all the rows, then it won't be an issue. We can easily figure it out. Okay, so let's just start writing the code. And anything else I need to understand? Down it not to some place. Okay, let's just start it. So first what we're going to do, we are going to select type was a 15. From, can we do this thing here? Let's just select first. Okay, how can I use two concepts simultaneously? Let's see, should we use it somewhere? Can we use it in where? Or tier 15, tier 16 is unique. Let's see, can we directly use it here? Okay, comma. Okay, TIV 2016 in. Okay, will you select not in, matlab in, not in, select. We are going to do, okay, TIV, no, we are group by now, we are going to group by to it. Okay, TIV 6 2016. इसके बाद from the table name is insurance, from insurance, okay, then group by, then group by, and group by what? Group by TIV 2016. You check 2015, no? Okay, to check 2015. Return 16, this will be 15, and this would be 15 too, and so does this, comma, having count 6 is equal to 1. I am ensuring only unique. Let's do tab. This is again. So now what we have to do is, and so let's write this from here, and for table we will do that part. Okay, for table we will ensure this it is unique. Select everything, everything from insurance. Okay, so let me take a pause. I have to put all the videos on pause here. So what I need to do is, okay, 2016, team not in it now. Okay, having count assets one. Okay, we do देखे lat. Can we do it together? Latitude. Want to write in the form of subqueries only because otherwise there's no benefit. You can simply do it using joins, then there's no learning in that. Okay, okay, latitude and longitude. Let's just see, can we write latitude and longitude? Can select latitude and longitude. You can do it right this way. To longitude. Or we can just do like comma or something like this. Can this be done? Let's see, let's see. Okay. Longitude from insurance. Okay, group by latitude, comma longitude. Having count of assets equal to 1. It must be unique. Okay. I'm expecting error in this, like that might be given some error. Let's see how we can write it again or if something arises from insurance. We just run this part here. Let's just run this. Have we actually filtered it? Okay. This works perfectly. Yeah. Sometimes. Okay. As TIV as Lacklon. Let's run this again because I don't want to check those columns. Oh, it is giving me 100. Okay. It is giving no, yes and no, na? And simply pick this is also interesting, yeah. 10 or 10. You can also get something like yes and no. So you can simply filter it out, na? So where we can filter it out. We can filter it out. So where TIV equal to 1 and Latlon equal to 1. So replace the name. We should use filter TIV 2015 filter to it from 15 and we should use filter Latlon. And we should remove this part. Okay. And we should use filter TIV 2015. Okay. Control V and Control C. Actually, if we have use it here from, then we can. Okay, if I'm using it initially, we'll give like this. Okay, let's select. So we can't keep it here. But we are using as, yeah. As is also not working. Filtered TIV was 15. Okay. Nothing, then we'll use our Brahmastra, and my Brahmastra is cities. It just solve every problem. So with temp as, now select everything. Let's see what's the current column name from temp. Okay, this is sorted. Now we can easily do it. Now we can easily do it. Okay, so where filter 2015, control C, equal to 1, and filter latitude longitude is equal to 1. Okay, and what you have to do is what to sum for sum sum of TIV 2016 TIV 2016, which must be round to then. If it's in note sum, we don't need group by then. We need sum, we don't need group by. Okay, and as what should be his name? As TIV 2016. We just check. Let's just check. Okay, great. What in particular order? Oh my god, we are so close here. Okay, I have done this mistake. I'll specify like how. Okay, how many was asking for? Still miss that part. Put decimal place. This will go correct now. This will go correct. And what is was it an int or not? Okay, it was in. It was float. That's why there's the problem. It has been int. It was been already accepted. It was float. Okay. So what's the thing now? Can we improve this, Mr. GPT? Can you make it more better? Can you optimize this? Can you optimize? Okay, I think this is already good, but always room for improvement. This is better. This is better. Code is working, but this is better. We can only, okay, where we scan and TIV select group by TIV. Okay, that too long. So try this again. So basically, so what it's saying is, let's just do this part first. Control V, and we have to okay, from we have to change, na? And from we have to do TIV. Those are 15 in, and then we'll go for that entire segmented. So select TIV 2015 from from insurance from insurance and what was that group by na group by. Copying is difficult here. We can simply write by own group by. What is it? We have to do count of asterisks equal to 1, and then was it not in, was not in. I think it was and latitude, longitude, and we have to select latitude, longitude from insurance Okay, I want to grow group by latitude, longitude, where count Having key, so having count, having where won't work here. Having count. Okay, like having count is equal to one. Let's say this. Okay, what thing we have missed actually? Okay, Norton. Let's just check it out. Only by getting there we can see from that's what I was writing. So from insurance, where we can see. Okay. In where here written. So that's why. So it's good, yeah. It's good to write. Otherwise, where? So where? It seems good. Okay. It's accepted. This is submitted. This is better. Okay, this is faster. Okay, then we'll keep both the code. This I'm going to keep this as a final because this is we didn't need to use city. We did it very easily, or we can say this is a better way. Just a way, but this also works fine. We should also know that we can also use some queries in like with the select, not select. When we in the select starting part, when we call for columns. Okay, then it is solved. So we will move on to the next problem, and I think this is the only hard problem as per lead code, and this is this one. Department top three salaries. Bye bye till then. See you on the next problem.